Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Secrets. Today I'm going to do a demo plus review on Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. So in this video I will show you how to apply this eyeliner, and if you are thinking to buy this eyeliner then please do watch the video till the end. It is going to be helpful for you guys. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about its price. So this is a 9 ml quantity product which will cost you for rupees 120. It's an affordable eyeliner, plus it is also available in different shades and ranges and colors. I think there is 4 colors available. One is yellow, green, blue and black. With me I have only one color, that is black. Now let's talk about its texture. It is a very light formula. That's the reason you will feel very comfortable on your eyes. And then its consistency is very thin, as you can see here. I hope now you can see that it is deep black shade, but after a few minutes when it's dry, the color becomes light. It takes a little period of time to get dried up, for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I will show you the color. So now you can see that the color has become light. Now I will again apply one line of it so that you can clearly understand it. So as I have already told you before, after drying the shade becomes light, and when it's not dry the color looks deep. So this eyeliner is not highly pigmented. Apart from that, let me show you whether it's smudge proof or not. So here the liner I have drawn is fully dried. Now I will smudge it with my finger. So you have seen that this liner is not smudge proof as well. You have clearly seen that it's transferred on my fingers. Then now let's talk whether it is waterproof or not. Here I have taken a glass of water. Now I'm going to sprinkle upon the eyeliner. So I have sprinkled the water. Then now I will touch it with the fingers. So you can see that this is also not waterproof. It has easily messed around, as you can see here. So this is not a waterproof eyeliner. So you can better avoid applying this eyeliner during monsoon season. And the applicator is so good, you can easily draw any eyeliner. You can make a wing eyeliner very easily. Now whenever you take the eyeliner from the bottle, the liner comes out excessive. So what you have to do is that you can minimize the liquid like this, as I have shown you in the video. Now to make a wing liner, first of all I will draw a wing at the end direction of the eyebrow. It's a very small line. Now from this line I will draw 3/4 at the upper layer of the lid. Now after lining, fill the empty part with the eyeliner. So I have filled all the gaps here. Next, start making a line over the upper eyelids. You can make a thin line or a medium size liner. So finally I'm done. I hope you can see the wing eyeliner now. This applicator is so good, even though if you are a beginner you can easily draw any lines. And one thing, please keep it in mind. Whenever you apply this eyeliner, please do not leave your eyelids open upside. Otherwise it will get messed up at the top. Do let it dry for at least 5 minutes. After that you can go as you wish. So please do remember that. So overall speaking, this eyeliner is a good eyeliner. It is affordable and it is perfect for everyday look, makeup. And if you are a college going girl or office going girl, you can definitely try this liner. But you have to be a little careful during monsoons because it is not waterproof. If you want to purchase these in discounts, I will link them in the description. Till then, meet you in my next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.